Starting in mountain pose, bring the right foot on the inside of the left leg, either above the knee or below the knee, wherever feels comfortable. You can even feel free to take half lotus variation. Bringing the hands to the heart center, finding your balance here. Maybe you'd like to take an arm variation. Find your drishti point of focus, breathing here. And when you're ready, bring the hands back to the heart center and very carefully unwinding, coming back to standing. On the other side, inhale the left leg in. Choose whichever variation suits you. Bring the hands to the heart center, finding your balance. You can lift the arms high, challenge your gaze. Breathing here. And when you're ready, come back to center. Very carefully release, mountain pose.